Welcome back to Cooking with Kasha. Today we will be making egg McMuffins. Eggs and English muffins. English muffins and eggs. So we need our bread, our English McMuffin bread. Measuring cup.
Bowl. Yep. Okay.
Eggs. Fork with 4 edges. Because I have 3.
Okay.
And spatula. We are making this for 3 people, so we need 6 eggs. So, take this. I'm gonna crack it. I'm gonna get the shells in. I'll crack them. Okay. I can't crack eggs. Satisfying, right? I will watch and learn.
Such a good cookess.
I know. How do you just like crack them without putting the shells in? That's 6 eggs. 6 of them, you see. Now we mix. We whisk.
Gotta pop the egg, all of them. And just whisk them from side to side. Other way. This way. So move. Can I see this? So go like this. Go.
Yeah. Does it make that much of a sound like yours?
So you also actually need milk.
Yeah, we need milk. Whoa, that's... And now we pour milk in?
Now you take like a cup of milk. Say it.
Cup of milk being poured. Quarter cup. And dump. And whisk. Whisk.
There goes
Oh, sorry.
Circles.
Circles. I don't think I'm doing this right.
Oh, you're right.
You guys stop making it sound like yours, though.
Okay. You're ready for
Yes.
egg cooking time.
Yes, I am ready. And I'm over here doing the English McMuffin part. So I'm grabbing this and slicing it in half.
How do you explain what you're doing right now?
I cut it in half, and then I'm gonna be putting it in the toaster. So I need to do 2 at a time. And so I do 1 more. You slice at the crevices, and you just keep slicing there. Just keep slicing. We take these and we put them in the toaster. Look like that. And then you just boom and boom. And wait, so we have some butter.
Do you want me to do the cooking part?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So you turn on stove oven thing, medium, and just pull up the butter in the center of the pan. And you have your egg batter right over there.
Egg batter.
Yeah,
It's just eggs, gosh.
eggs.
It's just eggs.
Spread the butter around evenly. Sorry, y'all, I have runny nose. It's cold outside. Yes, pour. pour so it's even like that. We are making scrambled eggs. Yummy. And now what?
You do like this.
Yes,
And
you
push them towards the
distribute the eggs to the middle. And keep, yep, you just keep pushing them. Make sure you wipe your saucy spatula if you get too much egg.
Chelsea. How about you keep doing that, Kasha?
Okay. I think this is how she was doing it. I can't remember.
Okay, there you go.
Okay,
You
I'm
ready?
You dropped something. I didn't record it when it happened.
Mixing these, Kasha?
Yes, I will.
There's a broom right by the patio.
Excuse me, doggo. I think I just...
No.
I can't burn them, right? That's my goal.
No, don't burn it. But when,
Shiny?
well, it's still gonna be a little shiny. But just like,
Oh yeah, I get what you mean.
then you hit the little power button. It says power on it.
Oh yeah, I found it. Keep mixing it. So I just turned off the stove by hitting the power button. And I think we wait. Do we wait until... Yeah, we let them cool now. Yep, so we popped this side of the English muffin because it cooks faster. Then, okay, now we pop. I think we press this over there. Yep. And yeah, we pop them. Like, lift it up, take one, put it on a plate.
Be careful.
Be careful.
I'm gonna burn your fingers.
Yeah. Don't burn the fingers.
That was gonna be difficult.
I can try.
Yeah, go ahead.
Get careful.
Next batch. I'll do this.
So we repeat it again.
Butter them.
Yes. Okay, so now my job is to butter these. Where's the knife? Right here. How much is the tear?
How much do you think?
As much as I think. Okay, so we'll start.
Just gotta make sure there's enough for all 8 of
Okay. And we'll start. And then move on to the next one. Butter. Well, I put this.
Sorry.
It almost hit me.
Sorry.
But wait, how do you know they go with that one though?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. And you put like that, so then they're like that. Where do I put these now?
You just stick them on the plate. Just slide them over. But
Slide them. And I butter the next batch now.
Dad, this is a family-friendly channel.
Yes, family friendly.
What's family friendly?
Her YouTube channel.
Finished putting the butter on the McMuffins
I have eggs on plate.
right here. And we got the eggs on the plates.
Buttered by Kasha?
And yes. So now we got the McMuffins on the eggs.
Yeah.
And is that it?
Yes, oh.
And that's it. Oh. And now you can eat.